Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to stop anyone from opening your WhatsApp chat. You'll be able to control who can access your WhatsApp account. You'll be able to stop others from accessing your WhatsApp account. Only you'll be able to open your WhatsApp chat and your WhatsApp account. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step to take is to open your WhatsApp. Let me tap on my WhatsApp to open it. The one way you can stop others from accessing and opening your WhatsApp account and reading your WhatsApp chat is to activate the fingerprint login in your WhatsApp account. So guys, I want to show you guys how you can be able to enable the fingerprint login. Enabling the fingerprint login entails that only you'll be able to open your WhatsApp. For you to open your WhatsApp, you will need to put your finger in the fingerprint sensor at the back of your phone or at the side of your phone or in front of your screen. So with that, no one will be able to open your WhatsApp account or read your WhatsApp chat, because it's through your fingerprints that your WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp chat can be opened. So let me show you guys how you can do it. For you to do it, you have to tap on the 3 horizontal dots at the top right corner. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, the next thing that you have to do now is to tap on the last option, which is settings. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the settings now, what you have to tap on is on the second option, which is privacy. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under the privacy, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. So let me scroll downwards. Then you're going to see the last option, which is fingerprint lock. You can see it there. As you can see there, it is disabled. What you have to do now is to enable that fingerprint lock. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see there, what you have to do now is to enable that option. What you have to do is to toggle it on. Let's read what is written there. They say unlock with fingerprint. That means for anyone to open your WhatsApp chat, the person must have to use your fingerprint, and you know only you has your fingerprint. No two persons have the same fingerprint. So guys, let's continue reading what is written there. When enabled, you will need to use fingerprints to open your WhatsApp. So guys, you can see what I'm saying. Let's continue. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. So if you turn on this fingerprint option and your WhatsApp is locked and you get a call from WhatsApp, you'll be able to pick the call. So guys, let me go ahead now to toggle it on. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, can see what is written down here. It says confirm fingerprint. They say touch the fingerprint sensor. So let me touch my fingerprint sensor to confirm my fingerprint. So guys, can see now it has accepted my fingerprint and the fingerprint lock has been toggled on. So guys, can see what is written down here. When do you want your WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp chat to automatically lock? Do you want it to lock immediately when you leave your WhatsApp, or do you want it to lock after 1 minute when you leave your WhatsApp, or do you want it to lock after 30 minutes when you leave your WhatsApp? So guys, what you have to do is to choose the option that you want. So let me choose immediately, because I want my WhatsApp account to be locked immediately I leave my WhatsApp. So guys, now with this, you successfully enabled the fingerprint lock. So let us go back. So guys, let me leave my WhatsApp now. Let's see what's going to happen if my WhatsApp is going to lock. Then let me tap on my WhatsApp to open it again. So guys, can see what is written here. WhatsApp locked. And for me to open this WhatsApp, I need to input my fingerprint. So let me input my fingerprint to open it up once again. So guys, can see it has accepted my fingerprint and my WhatsApp chat has been opened. So guys, this is how it's done, and I've come to the end of this video, and I believe if you got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.